In front of me is POCO M7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings. Now scroll all the way down to click on Google. Following that, choose All Services over here. And finally, scroll down to click on Autofill with Google. Now select Google Password Manager and finally tap on any password you wish to edit. Enter your screen lock, hit Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!